Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Confirm your eligibility to buy rare supercars and secure proof of funds or pre-approval. Once done, search targeted channels, specialty dealers, auctions, and verified private listings, because LaFerrari CPM rarely appears on general marketplaces. While you list search parameters, arrange logistics, and enclose transporter and insurance quotes. Make sure vehicle history and VIN checks are ready. This moves you from planning into action quickly and sets you up to place an offer without delay. You then focus on the complex middle steps, scheduling a full technical inspection by an authorized specialist who checks paint, chassis alignment, and mileage authenticity. Once the report arrives, compare comparable sales and service history to determine a fair offer. Use condition modifiers and rarity premiums as leverage. Simultaneously, agree on secure payment and escrow terms, decide on a wire schedule or third-party escrow, and the holdback percentage. Make sure all contingencies, like return windows and clear title clauses, are written into the purchase agreement. You finish by executing the transfer. Sign title, register the vehicle, pay applicable taxes, and collect all OEM documentation and service records. Once the LaFerrari arrives, inspect it against the inspection report, confirm VIN, check fluids, and start your service log immediately. If anything doesn't match or a mechanical problem appears, pause final payment and initiate an escrow dispute. Arrange an independent reinspection within 48 to 72 hours. This gives you a clear remediation path and protects your funds while resolving discrepancies.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.